maybe a year or more was probably devoted to planning this attack, and there may be others coming.
Mr. Livingston, I remember that the FBI has been concerned for some time about the number of cells harboring terrorists in America that have been expected to many of us in terms of how swiftly it happened. They came down.
And there was a release of heat that was off the scale. Fires ignited. Crushing and tearing was going on. And chaos, mostly just chaos, on some mathematical level was happening.
I heard on the radio, she was talking to the reporter that whatever, the building on fire.
Yeah, I heard. I was standing here. I was standing here. This guy has his volume on number 20.
Oh my God, there it goes. There it goes.
Oh, no. You hear that noise? There's the gun, sir.
Here's the gun.
That's it, no more.
No, you don't see a building.
That's it.
Expected to many of us in terms of how swiftly it happened. They came down.
I used to have it. I'm in 5. No,
Oh my God, the second one's gone. Oh my God, the second one's gone. Holy shit, we missed it. We were sitting here talking. The second one just collapsed. There it goes. Look at it go. Look at it go. The whole sides. My God, you can still see the sides falling off. Holy shit. Yes, it just fell.
That's when a loud explosion erupted at the top of the World Trade Center, and the top of one of the towers began crashing down in a thunderous cloud of thick, mushroom-like smoke.
Running, me and hundreds of other people got trampled, thrown to the floor. I saw all the smoke coming at us. Prior to that, there must have been panic in the building. I watched about 10 people jump out of the building.